Let me excuse the messiness of my kitchen bench. I'm just going to put all the dry goods. So I can show you what brand I'm using. And then one flour. It didn't say whether plain, all-purpose, or self-raising flour. So I'm gonna use the self-raising flour because that's what I got. And then let's say sugar. It didn't say whether it's rose sugar, sugar cane sugar, brown sugar, white sugar. So I'm gonna use just normal white sugar. And this is the most common brand here in America. I can't find the unsweetened one. I can't find the dry one. So this is moist one. So that's all I got today. It says so for answer. So another one. I'm gonna make a double ingredients today. Syrup. There we are. Because I gotta make water. I just boiled the water there. Organic. Organic tend to be a bit pricey. Okay. Hopefully this time I don't make so much mess in the kitchen. What I mean is making mess on myself. I need 2 cups of sugar. See, I told you. See that, right? I'm just making sugar 1 cup. That's 1 cup. 1. And so we're gonna combine them. Golden syrup, low heat. Okay. Making that's 1 tablespoon hot water here. Ooh. Mixing this. See this one here. I'm gonna mix this to the melted golden syrup and the butter. Squashing it. Okay. It's ready to bake. 300 Fahrenheit in 20 minutes.